What I'm most proud about in this vehicle is that there is nothing like it until today. There's no crossover in this segment that looks that emotional, that sporty, that athletic. I think the beauty of the XCeed project was that we never set out to do a crossover at the beginning, and then within the project, within the process, the next proceed, we discovered that there could be a fourth body type, which became by itself XCeed.
The XCeed has a different stance. It's elevated. It's much more coupe oriented. It is not an SUV. It's a car with a high seating position.
The athletic as a crossover is not easy. It doesn't have any of the heaviness that some SUVs tend to have by their volume, by their mass.
The digital cluster and the large center screen really bring the seat into the modern world with the XCeed. So we have a much more lively and much more vibrant presentation of the driver information. Yet at the same time, we have still a very driver-focused and very active interior that really fits to the character of the car.
For the XCeed, I would choose definitely the yellow. To me, it fits perfectly. To me, that's important that we can offer something maybe other companies dare not to offer, because they're being seen a bit more conservative. But we are, this power to surprise that opens up possibilities.
Kia, the power to surprise.